Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Cook With Me video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all three programs on my channel. And I will also provide the link to the recipe so that if you're not following WW and you just want to get the nutritional facts, then you can get that from the recipe as well. So tonight I'm making turkey burrito skillet. This is actually a home chef recipe, so I'll link you to their website. And I basically just took the recipe and kind of tweaked it a little bit just to make it a little bit more Weight Watcher point friendly. So this is going to be 6 points on blue and purple and 8 points on green. So I'm excited to share this with you. And if you're new, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. So let me show you how easy this is to make. So I'm gonna pull everything out of my bag. So if you're new to my channel, when I do meal prep on Sunday, I make my own dinner kits. I just portion everything out and put it in there. So now I'm gonna take everything that I need out of the bag. These are actually frozen onions and peppers that I had put in the bag because I didn't have any regular ones, but I do have some regular ones. So I'm just gonna throw these back in my freezer and use some regular ones. I have a partial red pepper and a partial green pepper. So I'm going to use all of the red pepper and then just a little bit of the green pepper. The recipe calls for a whole red pepper. And then the other things I have are 1 ounce of tortilla strips. They're just the tricolored tortilla strips. I have 2 green onions, a Roma tomato, 2 ounces of light sour cream. I also have 6 ounces of red enchilada sauce, a zucchini. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning mix, 1 ounce of Velveeta shreds, and 12 ounces of ground turkey breast. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my produce washed and cut. I actually already have these peppers washed because I used them in a different recipe. Okay, so now let me bring you over to my stove. I'm going to give my pan a spray with my misto. So I'm getting the pan nice and hot, and then I'm going to add the peppers. So let me just separate the peppers and I'll come back to you. Now we're going to add the peppers and the turkey breast. And then 2 tablespoons of the taco seasoning. And then just stir that around and cook it up until the turkey's done. It should take about 4 to 6 minutes. Alright, now I'm going to add the zucchini and half of the green onion. And then you can add some pepper if you want. And then just let that cook until the zucchini is soft. Okay, once the turkey is done cooking and the zucchini is somewhat soft, it can still be a little bit crisp if you want. Now, we're going to add in the red enchilada sauce. Give that a stir, and then just let that sit and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. And this is enough for 2 people. So this whole thing is 2 portions. So this is a lot of food. right, so I'm gonna let that sit and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes and then I'll get it plated. All right, so now that is done. So as you can see, that's quite a bit. So I'm just gonna kind of split it in half and portion it into 2 bowls. Alright, so now I'm going to take the cheese and split this between the 2. And we're going to take the tortilla strips and do the same. And add the tomato. And take the sour cream. And I had already measured this out, so I'm just going to try and do half on each one. Just put a dollop right on the top there. And finally, the rest of the green onion. And that is it. Look at that. So good. So like I said, that's 6 points on blue and purple and 8 points on green. Alright everyone, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I just have to say, we just got done eating and that is so filling. I've made it before and I forgot how filling it was. I actually kind of had to force myself to eat it all. My husband didn't eat all his, he still had some left, but he said that when I portioned it out, it wasn't really halfway. He said he had more in his bowl than I did. I thought they were pretty even. Let me know in the comments what you thought. But he might have just been saying that to be nice since I was able to eat all mine and he wasn't. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. I'm Kristi and I'm Planning Us Healthy.